film. Where are you? Go stand on the other side of that drift.
Alright, hold on.
Over by the trampoline. Monkey roll. Over that way. No, stay down on the bottom once so I can zoom in. Are you standing straight up?
Yeah.
Alright, stand on top of the big drift. He's as high as the roof. Look at the roof.
Yeah.
Your head's as high as the roof. Alright, come over this way. Oh, it's all packed. You don't fall through. Ah, I fall through. Here, go stand on these. Stand on this dune right here. King of the world!
Yeah. Yay. It's April.
See if you can go around the peaks. Run the peak, right here. Right here. Alright, go try this peak now. You're running on Mount Everest. Try that peak right there. This is moon footage. Oh yeah. Whoa, he's down in the valley. Going for the peak. Are you going in? That one must be softer. That's how it is for me. I fall through. Why do you think I didn't want to go back there every time? If you don't have snowshoes, just swim.
Yeah.
Jump into that side once and disappear below the snowbank.
What?
Jump in there and disappear below the snowbank.
Okay.
I don't know where he went. Could you sleep down there? Is there any wind? You can make a shelter there.
Yeah.
Alright. You can come back out, I guess, if you want. I'm filming Reese walking on the mountains over here. Look at him. Wait until he gets on top of the peak. Look at how tall he is. He ran the whole peak line.